Deep red stamps are natural gum red rubber stamps with cling mounting cushion attached. Stamping with them is easy since the cling foam will temporarily adhere to any acrylic block or stamping platform without the need for an adhesive. The cling cushion is 1/8 inch thick gray foam that features a smooth, clingy surface. This is what makes it adhere to the flat surface of an acrylic block. It stays firmly in place when you press it onto the block. Once you're done inking and stamping, you peel up the stamp and place it back onto the poly-coated card that comes with each stamp. You can make your own cling stamp storage cards using 3mm or thicker laminating sheets, and you can use cardstock or any other office paper. The thicker the paper, the better. You can easily find many types of acrylic stamping blocks online or in the craft section of your local store. Search for acrylic stamping blocks and you will find ones that offer grids or wavy side grips for easy holding. You can also use a stamping platform or stamp press. It is recommended to trim the excess rubber around the design to stamp without the background showing. The best scissors to use are Ranger's Tonic Studios Tim Holtz Mini Snip Scissors. Make straight cuts and don't try and cut curved lines. Cutting through the rubber and cushion is easy with good scissors. The ones shown here are the Tim Holtz Tonic Studios 2-inch blade with micro serrated blades.